Attention sales managers, if you're telling your salespeople to lie, you need to watch this video. This is a big pet peeve of mine because it can be so destructive. Keep watching. Hi, I'm Harrington, the Savvy Sales Lady, and I want to welcome you to the Savvy Sales Lady community. We're a community for all salespeople. Okay, this subject just sets my hair on fire. Sales managers, why are you telling salespeople on your team to lie about who they are and what they do? Would you please leave your comments below and tell me why you're doing this? I often hear, shh, I don't want the buyer to know that I'm going to sell them. Recently, a salesperson told me he was instructed by his sales manager when gathering the buyer's information to say that he wanted the buyer's phone number for another department. And I said, well, is that true? And he said, no, I wanted the phone number to follow up with the buyer. And I said, then tell the buyer that. It's never a good idea to start a business relationship with deception. If a buyer comes in as an inbound lead, don't you think he knows or she knows that the person on the other end of the phone is going to try to sell them? Of course they do. If you're a cold caller, don't you think business owners know that a certain amount of phone calls that they get during the day are from salespeople cold calling them? Yes, they do. So when your manager tells you to lie about what you do or who you are, don't listen to them. Be honest about who you are and what you want. Begin the sales relationship in truth and integrity. After all, it's your reputation, not your sales manager's. If the buyer even suspects you're not telling the truth, you'll never get the sale. Be proud of being a salesperson. You are vital to commerce. Nothing begins until you sell the product. Embrace and value the profession of sales. Now, if you start a business relationship in truth, will you give me a thumbs up? And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be one of the first alerted when I upload a new video. Until then, remember this: sales is a journey. It's not a quick trip around the block. I'll see you on the next video.